welcome to Lord Howe Island. We arrived here from Sydney this morning. It's about a 2-hour flight. We checked in our hotel, had some lunch, and now we're over here at Ned's Beach. It's a really good snorkeling spot, and the fish come right up to the shore. This place is really teeming with wildlife. Just waded into the rock pool over there, and there was this just pod of clams, just giant clams hanging out there. I got some, whoa! And there is a big crab. They're not that big, but I'm about to hop back in and snorkel a bit more, and I am greeted by about a 3-foot reef shark, so thinking twice about hopping in now. And we found a brand new friend. Alright, stay tuned here on Lord Howe. We're going to try to welcome to Mount Gower. So 8.5 hours and 10 kilometers and a summit later, we have finished the hike to Mount Gower. Yeah, definitely tested us quite a bit. A lot of vertical areas, a lot of ropes, but we made it. Unfortunately, there was not much of a view at the top because it was pretty cloudy and windy. But yeah, still really beautiful hike, and got to see a lot of foliage. lots of native birds. So yeah, going back to town to have some well-deserved dinner now. Alright, so following our hike over at Mount Gower, we went back to the hotel, showered, went to the beach, had a few beers there, caught a little bit of the sunset. Now we're here at the Anchorage restaurant here in the main area of Lord Howe. Really great food here, but definitely make sure to make a booking before you come to the island, or actually right when you get here, because there's very few restaurants and they fill up fast. Great place to go, and yeah, it's close to the beach, awesome location. It's day 3 here in Lord Howe. Today we're going to check out all the beaches here on the island. So we biked over to Middle Beach. Alright, over here at Lagoon Beach right now, about to do some snorkeling. General store and biked over here to Blinky Beach. Absolutely gorgeous beach. There's nobody here either. Have the whole beach to ourselves. So we didn't stay too long at Blinky Beach. Waves are pretty rough there, a bit windy, so we just come back over to Lagoon Beach. It's actually an extension of the beach we were at earlier this morning, and it's a bit closer to Mount Gower, as you can see in the background. Alright, finishing up day 3 here on Lord Howe Island. Did a ton of snorkeling, checked out pretty much all the beaches here on the island. Now we're here at Anchorage, our favorite restaurant here on the island. They do change the menu pretty much every night, so order something different. Got some local fish on served for later. Here's a quick tour of the room. It's fairly basic, 1-bedroom studio. There's no AC, but there's a small fan here. Yeah, it's fairly basic. The only downside is it's at the top of the hill, so getting to and from town is a bit of a challenge when on a bike. Alright, so our final day here on Lord Howe. We're over here at Old Settlement Beach and about to do the hike up to Kim's Lookout and Malabar. Alright, so quite a few steps up to Kim's Lookout, but wow, this view is absolutely amazing. There you have it, we made it to the top of Malabar Hill. Beautiful islands behind us, and in the front, beautiful Mount Gower. All right, after we finished up our hike this morning, we grabbed a quick bite to eat over at Anchorage. Now we're here at Old Summit Beach. So, this beach is known for its sea turtles. I've got the snorkel about to hop in. Alright, and that finishes up our trip to Lord Howe Island. We're about to board the plane right behind us. If you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe.